If you have been tinkering with AI for like the past 2 years and you have put your hands on RAG applications, then you know that in the architecture of a RAG application, you always need what we call a vector database, where you'll be able to store the chunking of your documents or your knowledge base. Also, something to embed your user prompts, right? Now, this adds a layer of complexity in your RAG architecture, and that is why MongoDB comes in, giving you one data store where you can store both the metadata, the actual data, and your vector embeddings. And this is why we are hosting the MongoDB event on the 27th of September at Kenyatta University. What are we going to tackle? We're going to tackle how to build RAG applications using MongoDB as your main database for both metadata and also for storage of the embeddings which you've obtained from vectorizing your knowledge base. So guys, if you RSVP'd for the event, ensure that you avail yourself on the 27th of September at Kenyatta University, because at the end of the day, you learn how MongoDB simplifies your RAG application architecture, where you get to use one database or one data store as both the vector store and also as the metadata store. At the end of the event, you'll be able to earn a digital skill badge that you can share on LinkedIn, on X, and anywhere to show that you are actually knowledgeable about how MongoDB supports AI applications by giving you one store, one unified store for the vectors and your embeddings and your metadata. See you there on the 27th of September this month at Kenyatta University, or the so-called KU. Sego Calls signing out.